Hello there, David here from London and Home Counties Safes. Welcome to another video. And we're taking a look at another Brattonsound product today. This is an unusual one. This is the Brattonsound Sentinel VS3. So before I get into the main body of the video, I'm going to put my WhatsApp number up now. And I'll put it up a couple of times during the video. If you need a gun cabinet or you need a safe of some sort, you need some advice, just WhatsApp me. Send me a message on WhatsApp. You can send me pictures of what you've, of where you've got in mind, or any questions that you've got, and I can reply with information and videos. I'm happy to help, even if you don't end up buying a safe from me. I'm very, very happy to help. So this cabinet, unlike the other ones that you normally see featured on this channel, isn't designed to stand upright like a locker. This is designed to lay flat on the ground. And in fact, they also design it for being installed inside a vehicle if necessary. So it's not as deep. We'll go into the dimensions shortly. It's got the two safe locks, one at the top, one at the bottom. But the difference is it's got this recessed handle, so you can lift it up and lift the door up, as I've done there. So it's like a space-saving safe, but I think the VS stands for vehicle safe, again for firearms. So inside the cabinet or safe, they supply some brackets for mounting it to a vehicle, and the 2 keys for each lock, and there's some sort of brochure or gun brochure that they give you there. I think it's a link to subscribe to a firearms publication. I'm going to take that out, set it to one side, and see what we're left with. So it doesn't look like there's much room here because you've got these sponge protecting pads here, and the idea is you've got a set at the bottom and a set at the top. So if you were transporting firearms, rifles or shotguns in this cabinet, then you put these on the top, and it stops them moving around and getting damaged or scratched. But I'm going to take those out now. So I've taken them out, or I've taken the upper set out, if you like, and you're still left with the ones on the base. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put our air rifle in there so you can get an idea. So as you can see, I've just put our air rifle in there, and I'll just refer to Brattonsound's documentation. So they say that you can store 2 shotguns up to a 32-inch barrel fully assembled, or 2 rifles essentially. So the dimensions of this unit, you've got 152 millimeters here, so it's 152, and then the, what are they calling it, the depth is 346, so from here to here 346, and then the whole length of it here is 1308 millimeters, and the unit weighs in at 28 kilograms. You've got 4 fixing holes for bolting it down. I'll just move the sponge away so you can see. So there's one of those in each corner, so you'd have the same thing over there. I thought I would just show you these brackets because it's so hard to get any information on these Brattonsound products, but that's the bracket. They send 4 of these with the safe, so for fixing to a vehicle. So you'd be riveting or bolting through these 4 fixings, and then this will be in each corner, and you would use this, undo this bolt, and it's got a captive nut there, and then it goes through the hole in the base of the safe, and then you bolt it up with that. It's nice of them to include that, but I thought I'd just show that because, as I say, you can't really find much information on these things online. So with our service, delivery and installation, professional installation is included in the price you see on the website, and that's the area that we cover, all of those areas there. It's about 80-mile radius from our headquarters in Hertfordshire, where I'm filming this. The only caveat is, I mean, we'll be bolting this down to a floor, to a concrete floor, to wooden joist, whatever's available to us, but we wouldn't be using those brackets, bolting it to a vehicle. We would be using anchors for the appropriate material, so we wouldn't install it in a vehicle, I'm afraid. Just need to make that clear, only into a building. All Brattonsound products are manufactured in the United Kingdom, and they are all independently tested to BS 7558 1992 edition, which is, as they say, the only way to guarantee police acceptance. Always check with your firearms officer to make sure they're happy with what you're proposing and where you're going to put it. just in case you are thinking of using this in a vehicle, I've put that bit of sponge back on the top so you can see it keeps the gun steady. I've left that one out just so you can see what I mean. So if you wanted to, if you wanted to buy one and not have us install it, then buy one on the website and we'll ship it to you anywhere on the mainland in the UK. No problem. As I say, we don't really charge for the installation, so the price you see on the website would be, delivered and installed in that area, or just delivered anywhere in the UK. Your two locks there, that's the bolt that comes out when you turn the key, and that shuts down over this, and the bolt is received in these plates. You've got this rebated, which is sort of classic Brattonsound, this rebate affair around there, which makes jemmying extremely difficult to try and open it. And that's about all there is to say. I would just say, if you perhaps just stumbled across this video and you're thinking that maybe you don't need a gun safe at all, but you're thinking you might need a safe, somewhere to keep things secure in your home, and you live in our service area, then please have a look at the video that I'm linking to now in the top right hand corner. And I will also put another link at the very end of this video. I think you might find something there that will be of use to you. Thanks very much. Last thing, everyone does this, I'm not very good at it. If you do want to see my shaky camera work and hear my voice droning on again about gun cabinets or safes, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video and clicking the bell icon so that you see my new posts. I don't do that many, but I do a few during the year. Thanks again for watching. You can get in touch on the WhatsApp number, or you can visit us at londonsafes.co.uk or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.